So my dear students, today we'll see how the conical pendulum works. What is conical pendulum for first thing? The conical pendulum is a pendulum which has a circular motion, and it revolving in a particular plane. If you talk about a simple pendulum, it revolves only along a line, and this will revolve in the form of circle. We'll derive the formula for time period of a conical pendulum. Let us suppose this is the pendulum which is suspended. This is a rigid support. You need to show these lines to indicate this is a rigid support. There is a string with which the pendulum is supported. It is made to revolve in a horizontal circle of radius small r. Right? This is angle theta, the angle of inclination. The mass which I am talking about is here. Now suppose if I talk about a basic forces, I told you what a basic force is already. Weight mg is a basic force, tension in the string is a basic force, and normal reaction is a basic force. Suppose if you talk about this particular scenario, there mg comes into the picture, body exists, mg would be existing. So mg, what is the direction? Vertically downwards. Now the tension in the string will be along the string and always away from the body. So tension in the string would come in this particular format. I'll call this as F, isn't it? Now resolve F into two components. This is one component. This angle is theta. Do you know what is the reason this angle is theta? The alternate angles. These two lines are parallel to each other. So now F is equal to what? This particular F cos theta. And this would be F sin theta. Now what happens here is F cos theta balances the weight mg. Can you see this? F cos theta and mg, both of them equal in opposite, so they balance it. And F sin theta is acting along the radius towards the center, so that provides me necessary centripetal force. Now if I talk about the radius of the circular path, if this is the length of a circular length of the pendulum, then R is equal to L sin theta into omega square, which is equal to F sin theta. I call this previous expression as expression number 1. Don't you feel this sin theta will be cancelled from both the sides? So what are we left with? F is equal to M L into omega square. This is expression number 2. Divide 1, expression 1 by expression 2. What do you get in the process? F cos theta upon F, that is equal to mg upon ml omega square. Mm gets cancelled, ff gets cancelled. So cos theta is equal to chi upon L into omega square. So omega square is equal to, what is it? Please will you guide me? This term L goes up, that becomes, so this becomes G upon L cos theta. Take a square root on both the sides. So omega would be equal to square root of G upon L cos theta. So if you simplify this further, 2 pi by t is equal to square root of G upon L cos theta. So t would be equal to 2 pi square root of L cos theta upon G. So this is the expression for time period of a conical pendulum. Shall we stop?